Hello friends, my name is Ramakant and you are watching Computer Tech News channel. In this video, I will discuss about BGP. What is BGP? How many type of protocols in the BGP? What is the difference between IBGP and eBGP? In this video, I will discuss about BGP. Okay, without wasting our time, let's start. First of all, know that what is BGP. BGP stands for Border Gateway Protocols. BGP is a standardization exterior gateway protocols designed to exchange routing and reachability information among AS on the internet. AS means Autonomous System Number. BGP classified as Path Vector Routing Protocols. I will discuss in the next video what is the path vector routing protocols and how it is work. BGP classified as path vector routing protocols and it makes routing decision based on path, network policy or rules set up configured by a network administrator. It use TC4 connection establishment. They are work in application layer. What are the different with BGP? Neither are extremely configured. A may not be in a common subnet like IGP. IGP protocols means EIGRP, OSPF, RIP. It is the IGP, interior gateway protocols. Okay, and eBGP, exterior gateway routing protocols. In this video I will discuss about BGP. So neighbors may not be directly connected to each other. Unlikely, IBGP protocols has different purpose in BGP as compared to IBGP protocols. BGP can be configured with AS and in a between AS, known as IBGP, interior border gateway protocols, and eBGP, exterior border gateway protocols, respectively. BGP connection state. How many type of BGP connection state? There are 6 type of BGP connection state. First of all, idle state. Second is connect state, and third is active state. Fourth is open sent state. Fifth is open conform state, and sixth is established state. First of all, you know that what is idle state. Idle state is a device is an idle state until you configure a BGP on its. If you will refuse all incoming BGP connections after you configure BGP on its, it will identify TCP connection with BGP configured. Peer and restart. Start listening TCP connection from its peer. It's changing its state from idle to connect state. If error occur at any state, BGP session in the terminated and return into the idle state. There are some reasons why routers does not progress from the idle state. TCP port number 179 is not a open. It will be AS number configured incorrectly, peer address configured incorrectly. What is the connect state? Connect state is in this state device complete the 3-way handshaking with the peer. After the successfully TCP connection establishment with the peer, device send on open sent message a peer. A movement is sent on open message to a peer, it jumps to a open sent state. If any error occur while TCP connection establishment, it jumps to an active state. Reason to go to an active state, it will be TCP peer 179 port number is not open. Otherwise AS number configured incorrectly. Otherwise peer address configured incorrectly. Active state. Activity is if the router was unable to establish a successfully TCP session, it will end to the active state. It try to restart another TCP session with the peer. If it is successfully, then it is send an open message to a peer and jump to an open sent state. If the successfully against, it jumps to back to an idle state. Reasons to target between the active state and idle state. TCP port number 179 is not open, otherwise wrong BGP configuration, network connectivity issue, link is flapping, also it is also be linking flapping. What is open sent state? Open sent state, router sent an open message and receive an open message from its peer. Once it's receive an IP, once and receive on open message, it's check its validity like BGP versions numbers and AS numbers, neighbor statement, everything you check it is correctly, then it is sent to the open confirm state. If otherwise, if other thing is okay, then send a keep alive message and jump to an open confirm state, else send a notification message. Open confirm state, the router is listening for a keep live message from its peer. Its keep alive message is received before any timer expire, it jumps to an established state. If any timer expire before a keep alive message received, then it jump to an idle state. Establishment state. What is the establishment state? In this state, peers share and update message each other. If still any error happening here, that with the BGP connection with router will send a notification message and jump to the idle state. BGP message. How many type of BGP message? First, there are 4 type: open message, keep alive message, update message and notification message. First of all, you know that what is open sent message. Once TCP connection is establishment with the router, build a BGP agency over TCP connection. All BGP messages are unicast to the peer over TCP connection. TCP responsible for retransmission, fragmentation and acknowledgement. BGP message type: open message, keep alive message, update and notification. Notification message. BGP message. What is the BGP message? How many type of BGP message? Once TCP connection is established and routers build a BGP agency over TCP connection, all BGP messages are unicast to its peer over TCP connection. TCP responsible for retransmission, fragmentation and acknowledgement. BGP message type, there are 4 type: open message, keep alive message, update message and notification message. First of all, you know that what is the open message. Router use this message to identify itself and validate the attributes of its peer. Open message is always sent after the TCP connection establishment. This is the first step to forward BGP neighbors agency. First, version, AS number, hold on timer, BGP identifier, optional parameters length and optional parameters. Okay, it is the all thing is correctly, then it will be not sent to open message. What is the keep alive message? Keep alive message is the If router escape this parameter, if it is pair, then it will send a keep alive message. After connection establishment, BGP sent keep alive message after every 60 seconds. What is update message? Update message is an update message router advertise the NLRI. It means network layer reachability information. It jump and it sent on update message after every changes, whether to advertise the routers or for otherwise other through router information. Notification message. This message is sent when notification message. This message is sent when something bad is happening. For example, something happening it's because of BGP connection to close. In the notification message, first error code, error subcode and error date. Okay, so in this video I will already discuss the what is the BGP, what is the hold on timer. Thank you so much for watching for this video. Have a nice day. Thank you. Do not forget subscribe and thank you so much.